Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Temu discounts and coupons. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have just signed up for Temu and are wondering if there's any particular coupons or discounts that can be applied to their future orders. Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that first you're going to log into your Temu account. Then on the upper hand side, you want to click on Orders and Account. Now once you've done so, you want to click on this option here that says Coupons and Offers. And once you do so, you'll see that these are all the unused coupons that are available to you. So right now we have a farmland free gift. So this will change from time to time depending on what coupons and discounts are available to you. In addition, you could actually see which coupons that you've used and which coupons have expired. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your coupons and discounts on Temu. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.